Hello friends, today we are going to demonstrate electrolysis of water by using two pencils, 9-volt battery, salt, water and beaker. If I can connect this with the negative terminal, it becomes cathode, and I can connect this, it will become anode. Oxidation takes place at anode and reduction takes place at cathode. You will see as we pass electricity current through water breaks out into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen undergoes reduction, it will collect at cathode, and hydrogen undergoes oxidation and collect at anode.